Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can create and use a recovery drive USB watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, access the search bar from the bottom of your screen and then search for Control Panel. After that, open the app and this type of window will appear on your screen. Simply click on the View as feature at the top right corner and select large icons from the submenu. Now, the interface may change a bit, but don't worry. You just need to access the Recovery tab and then click on the first feature named Create a Recovery Drive. A window will then pop up on your screen. You just need to click on the next button and wait for it to load. Now select the target USB drive and then click on Next again. Once done, you will need to wait for the process to complete. Note that this process may take a long time to complete based on your PC, so wait patiently. After the process is complete, click on the Finish button and then restart your PC from the Start menu. While restarting, make sure to press the boot menu key of your PC. For me, it was F9, so make sure to search for your specific brand and then press that key while your PC boots up. You will then be able to select the device from which you would like to boot. Select USB from the menu and it will start loading up. Once it's done, select the keyboard layout first and then access the Troubleshoot tab. Now you can select the Uninstall Updates feature from the bottom, and it will roll back your Windows to the previous version, so the problem you are facing will be resolved automatically. You can also select the Startup Repair to fix any corrupt file that's causing an error. The next step is to use the System Restore feature to restore Windows to a specific restore point, but this may delete your storage data, so be attentive. So that's basically how you can create and use a recovery drive USB. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.